Alright, Grey Magic TV back again, guys. Look at this. Holy shit balls. Talk about a storm coming. Look at that. That's a wicked shelf. Woo, beautiful. As you can tell, there's a bit of lightning in it. Might be some hail as well, guys. Grey Magic TV is at the train station. There you go, guys. I'm pretty much over there, guys, so swing down here. Fucking absolutely beautiful. That's a wicked shelf. Followed all the way through, guys. Probably hitting down around the Gold Coast, Cooma area. Hickam Storm chasing, usually chases it, but they're not really doing too much. I'll follow it down, guys, but happy days. That's a wicked shelf. Look at that. Beautiful. Fun part of living on the south side, guys, and I've just missed that fucking wicked lightning strike. I'm going to follow it all the way down till we'll get down here. How's it going, buddy? This is going to be a beauty of a storm. Happy days. Alright, look at that, guys. Beautiful. Following it down now. It's pretty much to where I live. Talk about a muck around, guys. Cheers to Grey Magic TV. Done a couple of videos tonight. Beautiful. It's coming. I can know if it's coming. Sorry, guys, but hey, he's flashing. We're gonna get something good. Street signs. How's it go? Head down here. Got cars coming up the road. This is the Queensland Police. I don't care who it is, mate. That's the police we have up here, guys. Queensland, Australia, Brisbane. Woo! Alright. Get over here, get away from all this. I'll run you through, guys, but by the looks of it, the storm that is coming, it's coming from southwest, west-east. Very hard to say. And that part there looks like there might be some hail in it. Depending, or depends. Get on this side, can actually show you. Are you walking on the road? Yep, walking on the road. Grey Magic TV walks on the road because that's how you make magic. Look at the sun today, guys. Absolutely awesome. Jeez. See, YouTube, internet, great for everything. We'll see if Jason's brother is here. Nah, not here yet. Hey! Nah, not here yet. Here you going. Look at those. What are you doing? I need to get a fucking good look at this storm. Absolutely rolling in, guys. Walking around everywhere. Literally everywhere. I might just get up here. Be quiet now. Gotta be quiet. Spin it up. She's coming, guys, so I'm going to let you guys go. Hope you have a great weekend, and I will see you tomorrow for another video. Cheers.